Today I want to give you a brief demonstration on doing the Imprimatura for your oil painting. And the Imprimatura is basically just putting a tint of oil paint on your paper or canvas. And first off, you put a little bit of whatever color you're going to do your monochromatic painting. I've decided to do mine with burnt sienna and white, and possibly add a little bit of black to give it a darker value. And you can use the quick drying liquid if you would like, the medium, although for the Imprimatura it's really not necessary because all you're doing is a very thin wash of color over your paper just to tint it. And if you see, I'm mixing it with water. We are using the water-based or the water-soluble oils, so I'm just mixing it really thin, and then I'm going to start scumbling the pigment. You can add more water if you want to spread it out even further. Make sure you do this on a piece of cardboard or a piece of newspaper, something, because you're going to get this all over the place. I also always wear an apron because this can spatter. You should do this pretty quickly because this will dry really quickly, even though it's oils or water-soluble oils, still will dry. And scumble this all over the pieces. I'm using a bristle brush, a large bristle brush, inexpensive bristle brush, because when you scumble, you're really kind of pushing the paint into the surface, and it's not really good to use a soft-haired brush for this, because you could really mess up a good brush. You find that you don't have enough paint, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to see if I can extend this so I can have enough paint. But if you don't, add a little bit more paint and a little more water, which is your thinner. Make it a little darker. And you don't have to use your paper towel to blend it out if you don't want to. If you don't want this real smooth surface, if you wanted to have it brushy, you could leave it as a brushed finish. But really all you're doing is just tinting the paper. And that is, just going to kind of lightly. That is doing an Imprimatura on paper.